So if you keep repeating something you hate doing, you may be loyal to a family story. So silent loyalties are the unconscious agreements we make with the past. And so you'd say, because you suffered, I won't have it easy. Because you were alone, I won't outgrow you. So we repeat the patterns, not out of love, out of logic. So for example, you might stay small because your parents never got to shine. Overworking because someone held the family together alone. Choosing partners who feel familiar and not healthy. Avoiding happiness because suffering feels like home. Now these loyalties, they keep the past alive. But the moment you recognize the loyalty, you are free to choose a new destiny. Please comment loyalty if this resonates with you.